That's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cuffed.
At kinalong ni Jesus ang mga bata, ipinatong ang kanyang mga kamay sa kanila at pinagpala sila.
Ali, today marks the anniversary of the day my little princess entered the world. The very best day of my life.
Yeah, that's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't no.
Si Ali, makulit, tahimik, and mapagmahal na bata. And also, hindi kami niya binibigyan ng sakit ng ulo. So, marunong siya makisama sa amin.
Starting to bloom. There's a nest for a family.
Si Ali is sweet siya. Tapos, no, simula ng baby siya hanggang ngayon di niya ako masyadong pinapahirapan. Tapos, ayun, naiiwan ko lang siya sa play fence. Tapos, malambing siya sa daddy niya sa amin. Pag gabi, gano'n. May times time pag gabi, gano'n. Pag umaga, meron din naman. Tapos, di siya pasaway. Makulit nga, gano'n.
Love it here.
Happy Christening and happy birthday, Ali!
I know that all of it feels unfamiliar. Baby, you are gonna fit right in. You should know that we already love you.
Sa'yo, sana maging successful pa in the future. Sana matupad yung pangarap namin na maging doktor ka. At sana maging grateful ka sa lahat ng mga dumating sa buhay mo, tsaka mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. At sana maging good example ka sa lahat.
Home is where you are. I think that you're gonna love it. I'm so excited because it's a beautiful world that's been waiting.
Today and always, I'm hoping that only greatness bless your life. My dear Ali, as if nothing less than what you deserve. You are the light that brightens our days and the strength that touches our heart. Everything I am is yours, my precious little Ali. Being your father is the greatest blessing I have ever received. I always do my utmost to see that you're happy, and I'll continue to be your biggest supporter until the end of your life. You continue to fill my heart with pride, and I feel so blessed to be your father. I love you always, anak. Mahal na mahal kita, my little Ali.